Here's how to find watch later on YouTube. So when you click watch later on a video, it's basically creating a watch later playlist. And you can find that both on the desktop version of YouTube and on the mobile version in kind of different spots. So on desktop, on the left-hand side, we're going to need to make sure we see the full menu. So click the little three lines here and we can see the full menu. And then under the Use section, we're going to see watch later. And when we click on that, we're going to see basically the playlist that's the watch later playlist. And these are all the videos that I clicked watch later on, and I go through and I can play all these, I can shuffle them, I can just click on a video to go to it to play it. That's on desktop. On mobile, you're going to find the U tab in the lower right hand corner. When you tap on that, it's going to kind of show your channel and like your videos, your history, and your playlists. Inside of your playlists, you're going to need to find the watch later playlist. It's a private playlist, and that's where you're going to find the watch later playlist on mobile. That's in the YouTube app, whether you're on iOS or Android. And so that's the watch later playlist. That's how to find it. To add videos to your watch later playlist. So I'm going to search for my channel again, Pixel and Bracket. And when I see a video that I want to add, so maybe if I scroll down here, I'm going to add this Canva. No, this is actually a playlist. So we're going to scroll down a little more. Here we go. We've got a free course here. I'm going to click on the three dots by a video and go to save to watch later, which basically means save to watch later playlist. And so that'll add it to that playlist. When we click back on that, you can see we've added it here. We can actually move this around, reorder these, and you can actually click on the three dots over here if you want to remove it from the watch later playlist. So we can do the same thing. Just always look for those three dots, whether you're on desktop or mobile, and you can add and remove videos from your watch later playlist. But that's where you can find your watch later playlist on YouTube.